What's up, Bills Mafia? Today I got a little retail stuff for you. I saw this at Walmart the other day. I figured I'd go back and pick one up. 20 sealed packs inside, 4 of which are hobby. It's the Championship Collection. Looks like you get a little prestige action. Little rookies and stars. I'm assuming the hobbies are probably Leaf or Hit. And I also got this. So let's rip into this first, just in case I have to make it a two-parter. As I record my record time on my phone. I just spent a good 20 minutes going through it, just to make space. Alright, so let's see what we got in here. So it looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Leaf. Oh, there's probably more Leaf in here. Hit 2014. The Leaf were 2019. Premier Football 2019. Premier Football 2019. Another Leaf 2017. 2 score. And those were 2015. These are 2016. Got a little Don Ross 2017, Rookies and Stars 2013, another Rookies and Stars, another Rookies and Stars. One of those is a thick pack. Prestige 2013. This and a score. This is definitely not a hobby pack. Another score. Don't know the year. 2014. See, this is. What are these from? Panini Super Bowl Stars. Alright, guys. Let's get to ripping. Probably make a separate video. Ripping some of the good stuff. I have no idea which ones are the hobby packs. Kel Dupree. Christian McCaffrey. Another Dupree. Donald Humphrey. And James Quick. What year is this one? 2017. Alright. Premier Draft 2019. Alright, got some Will Greer. Stock's pretty good. It's actually not horrible. DK Metcalf, maybe? Ooh, dropping it everywhere. No, Christian Wilkins. Hardman. Dwayne Haskins rookie. And another Will Greer rookie. Hope I'm getting this on camera. Not exactly. Right, that was 2019 as well. So we're looking at this dude, Connolly, Nick Watkins, Dante Thompson, and Clayton Thornton. 2014 hit. So far, I don't think I got any of the hobbies. Teddy Bridgewater, D'Anthony Thomas, Jerome Smith, and Austin Franklin. So I got about 2 minutes left on this, guys. I'll get all the Leaf out, and then I'll do a separate video with all the decent ones. Wilkins, damaged. These are all damaged. N'Keal Harry, Mike Weber, and I really hope these aren't the hobby. Jennings, A.J. Brown, Jennings, Earl Campbell, and Kyle Kemp. Alright, Jalen Smith, L.J. Scott, Miles Boykins, and Devin Singletary. It's a PC hit. Guys, I got about a minute and a half left on this. Really just wanted to show you what you get in this. Just to kind of give you an idea, so when you're at Walmart and you see it, you can kind of search on YouTube, find this video, and kind of see what you get. It's my whole Thompson, my whole thought process on it. Marquise Brown, and Jerry Rice. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to make a second video on this, just to kind of open up the retail, at least some of the gooder, the better packs. Oh, Kyler Murray, that's not bad. AJ Brown, Paris Campbell, and Tyree Jackson, another PC. All right, guys, one more quick recap on what you get. You get 2014 score, 2013 prestige. This does feel like a hobby pack, and I think all the rookies and stars are hobby packs. All right, so you get 3 rookies and stars. 2017 Donruss football. You get 2 2016 score, a thick one in there, and then 2 2015 score. And then you get all the leaf and the other garbage. Alright, guys, hit like, subscribe, and I shall see you in a few minutes in the next video, opening up the rest of these and this. Peace.